Hello student, good morning all of you. In the paper number 14, unit number 4, this is the last unit, natural products. This natural product contain following points. There are the two major points. One is the terpenoid and another is the alkaloid. Then in case of terpenoids, we study here occurrence of terpenoid, isolation, general method for structure determination, then what is meant by isoprene rule, and mainly analytical and synthetical evidence of citral. Means citral is the example of one of the terpenoid. Then next part in this topic is the alkaloid. In case of alkaloid, we study occurrence, general methods of structure determination, and analytical evidence and synthetic evidence of nicotine. Means nicotine is the example of alkaloid and citral is the example of terpenoids. Then first we study the terpenoid. Terpenoids are also called as the isoprenoids. In case of terpenoids or isoprenoids, we study again introduction of terpenoids. That is general formula of terpenoid is C5H8N. Then occurrence of terpenoid, how to isolate terpenoids. Then for isolation there are the two steps. Step first is the its isolation is to obtain essential oil by one of the following method. Means extraction of essential oil is the first step. And for extraction of essential oil, first method is the steam distillation. Then second one is the extraction in fat and lard. And third one method is the solvent extraction. Then in case of the step second, here essential oils are recovered more or less pure form by making following methods. Means purification of essential oils occur by two methods. One is the chemical method and second one is the physical method. Then we study here one by one point. First is the what is meant by natural product. Here a natural product is one that is produced by living organism. They include a variety of both simple and complex organic molecules. They were known to mankind even before prehistoric days. A large number of pigments were isolated and used for a variety of purposes like dyeing, painting, perfumes, medicines, etc. In fact, the beginning of organic chemistry was made with the study of properties of these compounds. Then these compounds are nothing but alkaloids and terpenoids. Then first we study what is meant by terpenoid. Terpenoid is also called as the isoprenoid. The fragrance spread around many plants and trees is due to the variety of strong and pleasant smelling. All of you familiar with the jasmine oil, rose oil, almond oil, etc. Then these natural products synthesized and stored by them. The term terpenoids was used to signify these isomeric hydrocarbons of molecular formula C10S16 isolated from turpentine. Turpentine is nothing but turpentine obtained from pine tree. Later on, new term terpenoids was used to include even their oxygenated derivative. Oxygenated derivative means alcohols, aldehyde, ketones. These are the oxygenated derivative means these compounds containing C-O group. Then oxygenated derivatives with them. Presently, terpenoids defined as it is a group of hydrocarbons having the general formula C5H8N. Repeating again, terpenoids are defined as a group of hydrocarbon having the general formula C5H8N. Terpenoids means it is a group of hydrocarbons and its general formula is the 5H8N, as well as their oxygenated, hydrogenated, dehydrogenated derivatives, mainly of plant origin. Means terpenoids are alkaloids from plant origin, as they composed of multiples of isoprene units. Here C5H8N is the isoprene unit. Sometimes they are also called as the isoprenoid. Pleasant smells of many terpenoids make them commercially important in perfume and the food industry. Some terpenoids are biologically active insecticides, that is the neem trees is the insecticide, anti-helminthes and antiseptics. Here tulsi, aloe vera, neem trees, these are the plants useful in medicines. Then after introduction, next point is the occurrence, means where they are occur. Terpenoids or alkaloids where they are occur. Here plants and trees synthesize a variety of terpenoids and store in their roots, bark, leaves, flowers, fruits, gums and resins, etc. The nature and proportion of terpenoid found differ from source to source. The terpenoids are extracted from their sources as steam volatile, water insoluble, odoriferous oil called as the essential oils. Then after occurrence, next is the isolation. In case of isolation, individual terpenoids are isolated from their natural sources in two steps. That is, step first is the in step first, terpenoids isolation is to obtain essential oil by the one of following method. The method used depends on the nature of terpenoids to be isolated. That is, the first method is the steam distillation. Here the plant material is softened by soaking in water. It is then packed into a column connected to a steam source. When steam is passed through the column, the essential oil being volatile come out with the steam and collected as distillate. The distillate is shaken with light petroleum and organic layer is distilled under reduced pressure. This leaves behind the essential oil. The steam distillation may cause deposition of some sensitive components. For example, esters of essential oil give poor quality product. So this method is mainly used for isolation of terpenes. This is the first method, steam distillation for isolation. Then second method is extraction in fat and lard. Here fat is warmed to 323 Kelvin and uniformly spread over specially made trays. The leaves or flowers petals are spread over the surface and kept aside the several days. Then essential oils are extracted into fat. The exhausted leaves or petals are replaced by fresh ones. The process is repeated till the fat is saturated with essential oil. Finally, the fat is agitated with absolute alcohol. When essential oil along with little fat is extracted into alcohol. When the alcohol extract is cooled, concentrated fat separates out. The terpenoids dissolved in the alcohol are recovered by fractional distillation under reduced pressure. This is most valuable method for extracting essential oils of jasmine and rose. The yield is also higher by using this method. Then third method is the solvent extraction. In the solvent extraction, the plant material is treated with organic solvent like ether or petroleum at room temperature. Essential oil is extracted into solvent. The filtered extract is distilled under reduced pressure to collect the essential oil. This method is specially used in perfume industry for the isolation of heat sensitive terpenoids. These three are the methods of isolation of terpenoid from the step first, means extraction of essential oil. Then in step second, this essential oil extracted is purified by using two method. Here terpenoids extracted in the essential oil are removed in more or less pure form by making use of difference in the physical and chemical properties of individual terpenoids. Then first method is the chemical method. In chemical method, essential oil treated with reagent that selectively reacts with only specific components. The product formed are easily separated and decomposed separately to regenerate corresponding terpenoids. This is the chemical method. Means in this method terpenoids are treated with a reagents. And second method is the physical method. Various methods like fractional distillation under reduced pressure, chromatography, counter current distribution are used in case of a physical method for isolation of terpenoid. Thank you for listening.